we'll take a look at our laundry room.
You fit a regular trowel in this thing. Pretty tight space.
This samurai, Japanese samurai trowel.
That's right. So they're going to be done today with the inside of the arch, and then we'll pull down the scaffolding and we'll show an update to that later. But right now let's take a look at our laundry room. We are almost complete. I've bought some extra acrylic panels to kind of cover up some of our gaps in the roof because it comes down at an angle from our main roof. But let's take a look. So we've got our door in on its hinge, and most of the trim around it put in. We've got a new new window in, and this is most of one of the walls. As you can see, right underneath this window, I'm going to build a work table, kind of laundry folding table and a wine making table out of some of that eastern red cedar. You can see we've had that window in and this one, but we finally finished all this trim around it so we could kind of finalize the wall. And obviously we haven't done anything with our root cellar underneath yet. It's probably going to start getting temperatures taken on it. Go ahead and show that to y'all. We'll start doing temperature readings on it here soon, so we can tell if it's actually going to be able to be used as a root cellar or not, or if it's just going to be random storage, which, you know, it's still useful as storage. So let's go ahead and walk around the front and around the side. So there we go. Everything will be finished off, burned, and then sealed with linseed oil. And then I'll start setting some posts so we can run a laundry line through this window so you can take the laundry out of the dryer and just roll it straight out into the yard. This is the torched and shellacked boards. And right here I'm going to do a little dog wash station and a human wash station because we actually do have an outdoor shower. Cold water right now, but we'll expand it later. And though, for those who haven't seen it, on the other side is our rock wall. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching. I hope you like. If you're not a subscriber, please be one. Catch us next time, and we'll spread the good word of Cobb. Thanks. Have a great day.